Hello viewers, subscribers, audience in general. Today I'm going to be listening / watching the Interrogation Chamber. Amazing binaural
3D sound.
binaural 3D sound play. Put on the earphones. Keep your head. I'm tempted to lick it, but here we go. That never happened. This purely fictional play contains some scary and violent scenes. Do not listen that, if that can be bad for you. So, I'm just gonna do this because I have to close my eyes. I'm ready for this, so let's start up the show. Let's do this.
Make sure that you put on the one marked R on your right ear and the one marked L on your left ear. For full effect, close your eyes, turn off the light and screen, and relax.
Light and screen?
Good luck in the interrogation chamber.
Alrighty, lady.
So you're awake.
I don't like this.
You're lucky they let you live.
What?
But you won't stand the torture that is yet to come.
Okay.
Just don't say a word.
Oh my
Shut
God.
up, you filthy Hungarian scum. You're lucky to be alive. In Soviet Russia, we would feed you to the bears at least 2 days ago. These goddamn Americans don't even know how to torture people anymore.
Racist.
I do not pay you to make insightful comments, Bruno. Please, resume your position in the corner
You know I'm right.
while I tend to our new guest. No, you are awake. Good. Good.
Back up, bro.
Good.
Back up.
I have been wanting to speak with you for quite some time now. My. How are the mighty fallen? Bet you didn't expect to end up like this, huh?
Oh.
You have been down here a long time. You must be parched. Let me get you some water.
Yeah.
It's bottled, but what can you do in this country? Unfortunately, there is only enough for me. But
Dick.
you look like a really tough guy. I've heard about the trainings they put you guys through. My delicious. Take Bruno here, for example. He's training back in Russia in bomb-killing bears.
With my bare hands.
No pun intended. Well, to be honest, I still have to figure out exactly which training you went through. To that end, who do you work for?
My mommy.
Science, eh? Well, I did not really expect you to answer that question. Fortunately, we have ways to make people talk around here. Bruno has brought some toys back from the old country. My. Well, that is gruesome and painful. Bruno, you really have outdone yourself this time.
Thank you, boss.
I shall not partake in this gruesome and barbaric business. I leave that to Shaw from Detroit. Bruno, open the cage, will you?
No.
Okay, boss. I mean, I killed bear with hands.
Well, not paying you for this.
I know, but he raped bear with hands.
Hello there, Bruno.
Hello, Shaw. How do you like the cage?
Bigger than the last one. No, Bruno. Make sure our guest stays alive. You know how Shaw is.
Yes, boss.
I don't like you. I don't like this.
So this is a guy? ain't much of you. You're the silent type, right?
No.
They're all silent in the beginning. Like my wife. But they're all silent in the end. Like my wife. So we got some toys here.
Yes. Got new toys from home country.
Russian stuff, eh?
Just quality.
This
Oh,
quality. Let me see. Oh, nice.
Back up.
I'm gonna cut your tongue.
I don't like this. It's.
I'm gonna cut your ear. But first, I'm gonna cut your hand.
My hair?
You thought that the first thing that I was going to do was to stab you?
Yeah.
No, I like to play with my food. Well, speaking of food, there's a cheese grate down here.
Oh, cheese grater. Ugh.
You hear the sound of that, sweet baby?
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Well, maybe a cheese grate would be too...
Cheesy.
No, too juicy. Yeah, too juicy.
My ear.
No, I know. A saw! You know what a saw is? I know my father knew what a saw was.
I don't like this.
I taught him. Oh, wait. Hang on a second.
No.
Ishvan, you've screamed enough, haven't you?
Yes, I have. Yes.
No, not in that way.
Oh, no.
Before you see the light, you must die.
Uh-oh.
Yes, it's the right tool. The right tool for you.
Back up, bro. I know origami.
Wait a second. I smell bacon.
I pooped. Wasn't me, I swear.
Police!
I'm on. I gotta get out of here.
Go right that way. I think they got short. We gotta get out of here, Bruno.
I don't run from police. Police run from me.
Oh, Soviet Russia. What? 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 God damn it. Well, there goes the whole setup. That's Fantasia. Oh, mother of God. I broke the thing again. I broke again. Look at this. do you do that? How do you do? It's literally bent.